Well, our products just keep selling and selling, making us sexy. We're officially the most sexy company in 2025, according to a poll that I just took that I created. Thank you very little. All right. What are the products? Why have 2 million people worldwide join LiveGood? Okay, that's insane. There's no other company, not even close, that have had 2 million people want to join either as a member or an affiliate. Okay. Things couldn't be better. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to jinx it by bringing it up in this video, but I'll just cross my legs, cross my heart, cross my little handsies here. I'll cross my eyes if I have to. Okay. But so far, so good. Let me show you. Just the LiveGood website, okay? Everybody usually comes to YouTube and they just want to see a review, see if there's results, who's doing good, who's doing bad, who's doing ugly, what are the products about, is it a scam? I mean, there's all these things that you can look up on YouTube, including reviews of LiveGood, okay? First thing I recommend, just go to the website, all right? Check out how easy it is. Anyone can order the products. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate. You can go to walmart.com. You can go to amazon.com. You can definitely go to livegood.com and just check out this page. Check out all the products, okay? Now, if you'd like to sample some, okay, you got to buy them. All right, there's no free samples. You just go and buy any of these products. Now, the best part is you have 3 months, 90 days, to check out any one of these items. I mean, even if you want to go to the bottom and pick up shirt, hat, hoodie, all right, within 3 months, if you don't like this hoodie, all right, if it's wintertime and now it's summer, okay, and it's within 90 days, send back the hoodie, get your money back. Same with the little beanie cap, okay? Tank tops for the ladies. I wish they made them for the guys. I buy all the t-shirts and cut the sleeves off, but even any of the clothing or the hats, get your money back if you don't like them, okay? Products kick ass. Now, if you like these products, month after month, you're going to want to be a member because then it turns into wholesale pricing, okay? So if you're not a member, you can just shop and whatever the prices are, that's what they are, okay? Let's just pick one of these products. Okay, essential oils, super popular right now, okay? You got to remember, we are a wholesale-based company. We are not an MLM that makes you buy these products, jack them up to $200, $5 million, whatever, and all the money goes to the owner of the MLM company or your upline. Okay, we're not buying you Ferraris or pink Barbie Cadillacs or whatever that's considered. We want you to buy the products because you enjoy them or you want to resell them. Okay, now you can see member pricing is $50. If you're not a member, you're going to pay $70. Is that a good deal for all these essential oils that are the best, by the way? Because look at your competition. We don't have competition. We're a wholesale-based company. No one's going to have better ingredients and cheaper pricing. Okay? Check it out. You go to doTERRA. You're going to pay $209. You're going to pay $252 with that little young living there. Okay? Like I said, the markup of essential oils is astronomical. You can go to eBay. You can go to Amazon. Go to your favorite store that sells essential oils and check it out. We're $50 plus shipping. Shipping is post office here in the United States. So if shipping is $9, then it's $9. It's 50 plus 9. Okay. If you live outside of the United States, we use DHL International. Now they have tracking. So these bottles here, yeah, you want to buy them? Shop like a maniac. All right. And if you don't like them within 3 months, send them back to Jupiter, Florida and get a full refund. Check out the descriptions of how to use them, what the ingredients are. Okay. Like I said, I'm very proud of the products. You don't have to buy a darn thing to earn a commission with us. We're a membership-based company, just like Amazon Prime, or let's say Costco here in America. Okay. So anyway, please look at all the products. I hope you buy them. And if you think they're boring or they just suck or you're going broke and you need your money back, do it within 90 days or 3 months. No questions are asked with our guarantee. Now, second thing you should do is go to the FAQ. Okay. I'm not going to get on the phone with you and talk 5 hours about LiveGood when you can just go to the website, go to a YouTube video, and there's all these people that do reviews. All I can tell you is I've been in the company 2 years and I'm number 29 out of 2 million. Okay, I know LiveGood pretty darn good right now. The ownership's awesome. The comp plan, I'm going to show you how to look that up. Super easy, okay? But just take your time and relax with LiveGood. There's no rush. There's no scam. There's no bull crap going on with the MLM of the pyramid, of the matrix or the cotex, or I don't even know what the hell they're called at this point. But I know if you go to the FAQ section, you can look at all the questions about account management, compensation, membership, orders, shipping. All right. Any one of these lines, just click and the answer is right there for you. Okay. Now, everyone wants to know mostly about the comp plan. Okay. If I'm going to join LiveGood as a member, okay, I get it. I'm going to get wholesale pricing for $9.95 a month. That's all it costs. It's not a penny more. $9.95. You're a member. Shop until your thing falls off. Okay. Get your money back in 3 months. Boom. If you don't like your products. Okay. How is you an affiliate for $40 one time, two $20 bills? How can you earn money like myself and other people? All you do is spend that $40 one and done. Okay. And if you want to know the comp plan, go to the bottom of either this website, laptop, computer, or at the bottom of your cell phone. Now, depending on how big your screen is, it's either going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Click that link. And what I recommend is this. Now, you can read about the 7 ways. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I recommend going to the bottom and checking out this YouTube video and say hi to this pretty girl here, okay? Because she's all by herself. And they put the video at the bottom of the web page, which I think is lame. I would put her at the very top. Most people want to watch video. That's probably why you're watching this video. All right, reading about the comp plan, it's boring and it's confusing. I think they should put this YouTube video at the very top of the comp plan or the pay plan tab. But nonetheless, you're here. You made it. Click play, and it's just a nice YouTube video produced by LiveGood that describes the comp plan. And if you don't understand it, just watch it 2 or 3 times. And if anyone joins you and has questions about the comp plan, do the same. Invite them to the pay plan link. Okay, but make sure that they say hello to this pretty girl. Okay. Okay. All right. There's the pay plan, the comp plan. All right. How do you make money? Go to the FAQ. It's right there. You can't miss it. FAQ. And then, of course, go to the products tab. Okay. Now, how have I been able to sign up 400, almost 500 people just directly underneath me in my downline? Okay. How do I do it? Well, there it is on your screen. I just invite people to joincory.com. Okay. I made these business cards at Vistaprint for $20. And I bought joincory.com for like $11 at GoDaddy. And then when you click this link, it goes to what you're going to have if you join LiveGood as an affiliate. Okay, you have your own page where people will click a video to watch and do all the spieling. It talks about the products and the opportunity. Please let LiveGood videos do all the heavy lifting. And then when you feel comfortable, maybe you can do a video like what I'm doing right now. But nonetheless, 9 out of 10 people, in my opinion, are not going to do video. They just don't like their voice, their face. They just hate it. Well, don't worry about it. LiveGood has plenty of videos that you can use. Okay, so joincory.com, and I'll show you what it looks like here real quick. I like my videos to be about, maybe 10 minutes. Okay, you can see right there Cory Draper's website. And if you join, you can put whatever you want right there. I just put my name, just like my email address is, Cory@corydraper.com. You go to joincory.com. I like to just, brand my name. But when you come here, you can say hello to this dude here in the blue shirt. Now, here's that video I was telling you about. Another great YouTube video produced by LiveGood. It's our host. It's hosted by our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He's the hostess with the mostest. Okay. This video is 5 minutes and 55 seconds. And guys, it's like printing money. It has been for me. I invite people to this page right here. People watch the YouTube video. They say hello to this guy, and then they put their name and email address in. And if you want more information, click this little button that says reserve my position. Or if you want to join LiveGood, do the same. All you do is open up your LiveGood email, follow the instructions, get your username, password, pay the $49.95. We even have a deal if you want to join for the year. It's $99.99 or $99.95. I'm sorry. It's $100 minus 5 cents. And that way you get 12 months for the price of 10. I don't make any more or less. It's up to you. If you want to save money, join for the year. Or if you have $9.95, just go month to month to month. $40. One more finger. Boom. $40. That's it. 2 20s, 4 10s. I don't know how many fives go into 20. 75? I don't even know. I have to get out my cell phone and do my math. All right, I think you can afford $40, and I think you got the 10 minus 5 cents. Okay, so for $49.95, you're an affiliate. You just got to do $10 a month. Keep your membership nice, hot, and fresh and yummy. Buy some of the products. Get your money back if you don't like them. You got 90 days. All right, and if you join, I'm going to send you an email. I tell you exactly what I do. Okay, I've done this now, this Live Good thing, about 2 years. 2 years and 1 month. I joined March of 2023, but I really didn't start until April of 2023. And right now it is April 15th. It's tax day. If you made a boatload of money, send in your money to the government, and then they spend it on nonsense. All right. Kind of like sucks, doesn't it? But if you're paying a lot of taxes, hopefully you're making a lot of money. Okay. And right now, when it comes to Live Good, if you want to be an affiliate, like I said, one and done, guys, couple $20, $20 bills, and that is it. You don't have to buy products each month and have levels and do all this nonsense where you're spending $500 to get a commission of $500. And then the companies hold your money for a couple months. They just keep your money, I think, put it in a bank and draw interest on your hard work. Okay. With Live Good, we get paid every Thursday. Okay. Thursday morning, I can see the chunk of change I've made. And then usually by that afternoon, the money's there in my account. Now, I'm in the United States. I'm just in Utah. I use a real big bank that's all over the country here. But if you live in another country, it's up to you on how you want to get paid. We even have cryptocurrency. Okay. And you guys can figure that out when you configure your back office on how you want to get paid. Okay. So buy the products. You got 3 months, 90 days. Get your money back if you don't like the products. And if you do like them, I have no doubt that you're going to buy each month. Okay. And then if you want to join me, I'll send you the information on how easy I have made my Live Good business. And I have a couple other businesses that complement Live Good that brings in piles of this. It's pretty good. All right. I think you'll like it because everything I do is low ticket. It's not like get out a $10,000 bill and go find other people that have $10,000 bills and so on and so on. Okay. We just do things nice and slow. That's how I like to do it. Build it according to what makes sense, nice and organic. Make sure you know what you're doing so when people sign up with you, you show them how easy it can be. Get them configured, get them signed up. I hope they get business cards like I've done because on a street level, if we're just hanging out and I run into you, I don't know, let's say at the old supermarket or at the gas station, and you see me on Facebook talking about Live Good, I just hand you this business card and go to joincory.com. Okay, and then if you're interested, you can get a hold of my email address, find me on Facebook, or just fill out your name, okay, right there, name, email address, bam, hit that button, and you're in the game. You got some skin in the game. Okay, so anyway, if you need something, get a hold of me. I'm not shy. Cory at corydraper.com. That's my email address. And like I said, I'm on Facebook. Inbox me there. And that is it, folks. That's all. Okay. All right. Thanks for your time. Looks like I'm at the 13-minute mark. I went 3 minutes over, so I'll spank myself. Okay. I'll spank myself real good for being bad. Okay. All right, guys. Take care and subscribe to my YouTube video. All right. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.